Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove and change this favicon, this blogger favicon. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, you need to create a favicon. So it's easy, don't worry about it. Just go to this website favicon.io/favicon generator. I will leave the link in the description. Don't worry, it's for free. That's just in case you don't have your own favicon. So let's say, for example, let's enter just a letter. Let's say G. For example, you can change the background if it's rounded, square, circle, and you can choose anything here. And you can choose the color if you want. And after you complete, this is a preview, as you can see. If you are good with that, click on download and download the file on your desktop. Okay, now let's go to extract this zip file. Click extract. Okay, this is our file. Click on it, and as you can see, those are our favicon. So let's go now to Blogger. Go to Blogger, click on settings, and click here on favicon. As you can see, click on it, then click on choose file and choose your favicon. So Android Chrome 512 by 512. Click on it and click on save. Okay, and now let's refresh our website to see if it changed. Click refresh. It's still. Let's go to an incognito window and see copy. And as you can see, the favicon has been changed. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.